The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to become Samsung's boldest and most innovative flagship yet, and anticipation is at an all-time high. With the overwhelming success of the S24 Ultra, which saw sales grow by over 20% compared to its predecessor, Samsung is under pressure to deliver, and all signs point to the S25 Ultra exceeding expectations. Leaked renders suggest a device that's not only sleeker, but also more ergonomic, with a thickness reduced to just 8.3 millimeters. Despite these changes, Samsung has retained its iconic boxy design, adding more refined edges for better grip and comfort. The S Pen, still exclusive to the Ultra line, continues to be a productivity powerhouse, featuring improved latency that is expected to drop below 2.1 milliseconds, making it feel indistinguishable from writing on paper. This attention to detail underscores Samsung's dedication to merging aesthetics with functionality. The beating heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Based on the latest foreign architecture, this processor offers a staggering 20% improvement in CPU performance and up to 25% better GPU efficiency compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Benchmark leaks show scores exceeding 1.8 million on Antutu, making it one of the most powerful chips ever put into a smartphone. This power isn't just for bragging rights, it ensures buttery smooth multitasking, seamless 4K video editing, and an immersive gaming experience even in the most demanding titles. Software-wise, Samsung is going all out with One UI 7.0. Built on Android 14, this iteration introduces advanced AI features that are anything but gimmicky. Samsung's rumored integration with OpenAI's ChatGPT framework takes things to a new level, enabling your phone to predict your daily routines, automatically suggest responses to text, and even organize your calendar without manual input. AI-driven battery management is another standout feature, dynamically adjusting power usage based on your habits to provide up to 15% longer battery life, which could push the S25 Ultra's already massive 5,500 mAh battery to last more than 2 days on moderate use. Let's dive into the camera system, one of the crown jewels of Samsung's Ultra line. The S25 Ultra is rumored to pack a quad-camera setup featuring a 200MP ISO CELA-HP4 sensor, complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens and 2 telephoto lenses offering 3x and 10x optical zoom. Samsung is also rumored to introduce Ultra Fusion Night Mode, using advanced AI algorithms to reduce noise and enhance details in low-light photos. This ensures professional quality shots even in challenging lighting. For video creators, the S25 Ultra will support 8K recording at 60 fps with enhanced stabilization, making it a rival to professional-grade cameras. The display is another area where Samsung continues to dominate. The S25 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic 8.0 LED 2X display with QHD plus resolution and a refresh rate that dynamically adjusts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, ensuring the best balance of performance and power efficiency. The brightness is expected to peak at a record-breaking 2,500 nits, making it the most readable display in direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling, this display guarantees a visual experience unmatched by any other smartphone. Competition-wise, the S25 Ultra is squaring up against Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, which boasts the A18 Pro chip and a refined 48MP main camera. While Apple continues to dominate in ecosystem integration, the S25 Ultra edges ahead with its hardware innovations, particularly in performance and camera technology. The overclocked Snapdragon chip and the 200MP sensor give Samsung a clear lead in areas that matter most to tech enthusiasts. One area of intrigue is Samsung's foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 have been well received but haven't yet matched the popularity of the S series. However, Samsung is reportedly planning to blur the lines between foldables and flagships, potentially incorporating foldable elements into the S series in the future. This raises exciting possibilities for what lies ahead. Samsung's decision to drop its in-house Exynos chips for this series in favor of Qualcomm's Snapdragon globally is another bold move. While this ensures a consistent performance experience across markets, it also raises questions about the future of Exynos in the competitive semiconductor space. However, for consumers, this shift is a win, guaranteeing the most powerful and efficient components in every Galaxy S25 Ultra device. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates, leaks, and reviews on what could be Samsung's greatest smartphone yet. The question isn't whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra will change the game. It's how far it will push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. The future is here, and it's Ultra.